RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got my B16 out today. Got the E1 on tow here with this little improvised trailer. Did something quick. Went to the arts and crafts store, picked up some, I don't know, sort of like popsicle stuff. Added these some straps. Now it's fixed behind the B16. So it looks pretty cool, not super scale, just something quick. I'm not the best scale builder, so yeah, but it looks alright, I think. Also got a 370 size 2-speed gearbox under here without the servo. This is just something that I had laying around that I threw in there real quick because my tan gearbox that was in here before started to slip on the gears. So I don't know, I just threw this in there and fixed it in low gear. Still got the 15 amp cheap EC from WPL in there. So yeah, just going to give this a quick little run here in the backyard, see how it manages some obstacles, and yeah, I also fitted this canvas that's WPL sent to me. Looks really cool. Adds a little extra, something extra to it. So just a quick little video and update here, and I hope you enjoy it. there we go. As you saw, it was really strong. Haven't cut the grass in quite some time, and it didn't really have any issues driving through it. Only issues I had was when I was going up that little bridge there. Keep losing the tow hitch because of the angle, so I need to change that. But other than that, it's pretty great, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. It's a great little setup, really cheap, since this is the plastic kit. The trailer is cheap as well, and yeah, I really like it. The E1 looks great when you tow it like this. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I will try to make a proper trail video with this setup. And yeah, make sure to leave a comment, say what you think, and maybe even subscribe if you want to. Links down below as usual.